Welcome back to ASMR Quiz Dino. Are you ready to make some tough choices? Let's play and test your decision-making skills. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe for more fun quizzes and let's get started. Would you rather swim with sharks or sleep in a cemetery? Would you rather eat a raw egg or a raw fish? Would you rather walk on glass or walk on a tightrope? Would you rather get 100 red ant bites or 30 mosquito bites? Would you rather bite into a chili pepper or drink expired milk? Would you rather have Xbox or PlayStation 5? Would you rather have unlimited fast food or unlimited candy? Would you rather always have blurry photos or always have laggy videos? Would you rather go down this slide or ride this attraction? Would you rather walk barefoot on rocks or on hot sand? Would you rather be chased by 100 bees or bitten by a dog? Would you rather live with no running water or no electricity? Would you rather shave your head or shave your eyebrows? Would you rather give your phone password or give away your dog? Would you rather live without technology or without nature? Would you rather meet the love of your life or win $500,000? Would you rather always say what you think or never speak at all? Would you rather lose your keys or lose your phone? Would you rather live in prison for life or live alone in Antarctica? Would you rather sleep in a haunted house or sleep alone in the woods? Would you rather break your nose or lose a tooth? Would you rather live without movies or without TV shows? Would you rather sleep in this bed or like the video and sleep in your dream bed? Would you rather keep YouTube or Netflix? Would you rather have yellow teeth or food stuck in your teeth? Would you rather travel around the world or travel to other planets? Would you rather be tickled nonstop or always have an itch? Would you rather have delicious meals every day or have a dream body? Would you rather take a mountain vacation or a beach vacation? Would you rather have bad breath or braces? Would you rather go on this ride or go down this slide? Would you rather watch horror movies or read your favorite movie comments? Would you rather have a runny nose forever or hiccups forever? Would you rather sleep in hammocks or sleep here? Would you rather scrape your knee or break a nail? Would you rather sleep outside or sleep in jail? Would you rather save this kitten or win $10,000? Would you rather have sticky hands or sweaty feet? Would you rather lose your hearing or lose your sight? Would you rather eat pizza for a month or burgers for a month? Would you rather lose a tooth or lose a nail? Would you rather lose your pet or lose your house? Would you rather get a tattoo or a lip piercing? Would you rather fly or be invisible? Would you rather never sing again or never read again? Would you rather never shower again or never brush your teeth again? Would you rather always be too hot or always be too cold? Would you rather eat this every morning or never eat fast food again? Would you rather have a scorpion or a snake?